To add tools, search for sToolTracker tools. Select New and enter a description of your tool. Select a category code, if appropriate. Also select a location code, which is important for the correct management of your tools. Upload a picture if appropriate. You can also enter additional details, such as the weight, unit of measure, attributes, and also attachments associated with the tool. In this case, we're going to track the tool via both serial and lot number. We select the appropriate tracking code, series and lot number, and then select the codes associated with the lot number tracking and the serial number tracking. And we're good to go.